Yeah, I thought it was a great presentation. I thought it was engaging, and I liked the way the technology accentuated the point of the presentation without distracting from it. I think the presenter was great. I think it was I like her sense of humor and her points, and her pace of it was very good because it kept you engaged throughout the whole presentation. Hard to say with one word how to sum it up, but I think it was innovative and thought-provoking, which I guess is 3 words, but that's my main takeaway. It was very engaging, drew you in, and it got the point across very well. Definitely different from any other type of typical presentations, would definitely be memorable, would be something that people would take away, but also delivering the speech and making you remember it, which is a really hard thing to do, and I think that definitely delivered that throughout the whole way, and there was no lull in the whole presentation, so I thought it was very well executed.